Hello, we are working on a Mini Cooper. It had a coolant leak, but I filled it up now, and it's kind of hard to find. We had to pressure check it with a tester, and we found that the thermostat housing, which is made out of plastic, of course, on this Chrysler engine. And you can see right here, focus it, see how the seal is warped a little bit? That's where it leaks. It was not installed properly. This is the second time it's being done. It was installed by the dealership last time. And even if it is installed properly, it will go bad occasionally, so hopefully they make something out of aluminum. Recommend that. The second thing that's gone bad is this engine mount. It's pretty common. The telltale signs are you have fluid leaking out of the engine mount. It is a hydraulic fluid, basically, I guess you could call it, that leaks or that dampens it. And after a while, this is what you get. I'm not putting hardly any pressure on this thing. You can see it's broken internally. And that's an original Mini part. I'm installing a little bit. I think it's a little higher quality, but actually it's the same exact part number. Here's the funny part. See that? It says Mini on here. Of course, the Mini has been covered up. It's the same part. Exactly the same part. I'm trying to focus it here. 57527810. 57527810. Same part. This has a thick coating on here, some kind of epoxy or whatever. This is what we're replacing it with. Part number, made in Spain. So it's the same exact part from the dealer, but it's cheaper. But there you have it. This guy has a little bolt on the bottom. So it Torx. You have to get it from the bottom down here. Pull back the cover and break this bolt loose. Use my snap-on impact gun. This is a Torx. It's an E12 converted bit. E12. Edward 12. And then the rest is a 17 and an 18. Enjoy your Mini Coopers.